Hi there. Today, our topic is about outsourcing services. Part 2. We have a dialogue between Mike, Operations Director, and Edmund, CFO. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Mike, urgent issue. Anytime?
Edmund, yes. What happened?
Mike, one of our customer has issued us a debit note charging us for $150,000 for the delivery to US last week.
Oh, I did not know.
Your factory manager should have updated you. No?
Not yet. Please give me more information.
Okay. The delivery made last week was from the outsourced factory. The delivery has a few problems. Firstly, the weight stated on the import form is not the accurate weight. It was lower, and thus the calculated tax is lower. Secondly, is the quality of the products. 50% of them has defects and do not meet the customer's requirements.
How could this be happened? This outsourced factory has been with us for many years and knew the customer's requirements well.
Oh well. I have a preliminary checking on this. We have given them the rights to send the delivery directly to our customers, and we have not sent our QC people to have quality checking before shipment. I think that is the issues if we allow them to ship directly, and we have no QC on site to check.
This only happened once this time for our 20 years of business relationship, though.
Besides, I have also reviewed the contract with them. We are lacking some control measures to ensure their quality. And in case of non-compliance to our rules and regulations, what are the penalties?
So what are we going to do?
Since we do not have backup in claiming the penalty back to the outsourced factory, it is definitely our fault, and we need to absorb it and charge to performance of your team.
Oh no.
We have discussed in earlier episode, we need to monitor outsourced services closely. It does not mean we do not trust our vendors. However, business is business. What the outsourced vendors did, it is a reflection to our company and impact to our business. The company has trusted his outsourced factory too much. It allows them to ship products directly to their customers, without any quality checking on the product and import documents. They have stated a low weight on the import documents, and quality of their products are not compliant with the company's standards. All these issues in return go back to the company and has financial implications. To recap, here are the key controls. Outsourced services need to be monitored. The company should play a monitoring role to ensure the vendors has complied with the standards and acting in the benefits of the company. In addition, the company should carefully draft the terms and conditions on the contract with the outsourced vendors. In case of non-compliant, they will need to be penalized, sharing part or whole of the company's losses in that transactions. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about key control on procurement, Part 2. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.